The Order of Time by Carlo Rovelli examines the nature of time through scientific and philosophical lenses, challenging conventional perceptions and offering a fresh perspective rooted in modern physics. Rovelli, a renowned physicist, explores quantum mechanics, relativity, and the philosophy of time, revealing a more complex and nuanced understanding of this fundamental aspect of reality. Rovelli begins by contrasting the classical view of time, linear, constant, and universal, with the more intricate perspective found in modern physics. In relativity, time is not absolute but depends on the observer's frame of reference, bending and stretching relative to motion and gravity. Unlike the uniform flow familiar from everyday experience, time in physics is intertwined with space, forming a dynamic fabric influenced by events and interactions. A central theme of the book is that time does not exist as a standalone entity but emerges from the relationships between particles and events. Rovelli discusses loop quantum gravity, a theoretical framework suggesting that space-time is granular and discontinuous at its most fundamental level. In this view, time arises from the complex interplay of quantum events, rather than existing as a smooth, continuous flow. Rovelli also explores the arrow of time, or the direction in which time appears to flow. This forward motion, he explains, is linked to the second law of thermodynamics, where entropy, or disorder, tends to increase over time. This increase in entropy provides time with its apparent directionality. Rovelli further delves into the subjective experience of time, shaped by memory and consciousness, contrasting it with the objective, relative nature described by physics. Philosophical reflections enrich Rovelli's scientific insights. He explores questions about existence, human understanding, and how our perception of time influences our experience of life. By rethinking time not as a linear, independent entity but as a relative and emergent phenomenon, Rovelli invites readers to adopt a more flexible perspective on reality and their place within the universe. In conclusion, The Order of Time argues that the traditional view of time as a steady, universal flow is an illusion. Instead, time is a complex, interconnected phenomenon deeply tied to the universe's structure and our perception. Rovelli's writing makes these intricate ideas accessible, blending profound scientific concepts with thought-provoking philosophical inquiries. The book serves as both an introduction to modern theories of time and a meditation on how understanding time reshapes our grasp of reality.